A flat tire can be frustrating. But with a tire puncture repair kit, you can get back on the road quickly and safely. Let's walk through the steps to fix a minor puncture using this innovative kit. Many vehicles come equipped with a compact tire puncture repair kit instead of a spare tire. It includes an air compressor and a single-use sealant bottle, offering a simple and efficient way to repair small punctures without heavy lifting. First, ensure you are parked safely and check the damage. If the puncture is on the sidewall or larger than 4 mm, about the size of a small nail, seek professional help instead. Retrieve the repair kit and confirm that the sealant has not expired. Remove the valve cap from the tire. Extend the hose from the compressor and attach it securely to the tire valve stem. Before switching it on, ensure the compressor is in the off position. Then, connect the power plug to your vehicle's 12-volt outlet and firmly attach the sealant bottle to the compressor. Next, place the warning sticker in a visible location to remind you that the tire has been temporarily repaired. Now, start your vehicle and turn on the compressor. As the air flows in, the sealant spreads inside the tire, sealing the puncture. Monitor the pressure gauge and turn off the compressor once the recommended tire pressure is reached. Once done, disconnect the kit, secure the valve cap, and store the equipment in the cargo area. But don't pack it away yet, you'll need it again for a pressure check. Drive for about 5 kilometers, keeping your speed under 80 kilometers per hour. This helps spread the sealant evenly inside the tire. Stop in a safe location and recheck the tire pressure. If it has dropped below 19 psi, the damage is too severe and professional assistance is required. Otherwise, adjust the pressure if needed and continue driving cautiously. A temporary repair doesn't mean a permanent fix. Visit the nearest service center to have your tire properly inspected and replaced if necessary. Also, don't forget to replace the sealant bottle for future use. With the tire puncture repair kit, a flat tire doesn't have to ruin your journey. Stay prepared, drive safely, and keep moving with confidence. At Toyota, we care for you.
Awesome.